Welcome back to the channel, Squad. If you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, now check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style, or some of the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics hitting home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it, burning through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
And without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. And so I know I have been going for about a week now, and I'm gonna just let y'all know now because it has been a grip. I did buy a SB Dunk Low, and that will be the first pair I ever own. That pair isn't coming until Saturday, and the other sneaker I had bought, they just arrived today. And I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna wait any longer. I'm gonna just unbox these three things, and yeah. But yeah, here we have it, all three packages. And of course, we're gonna start off with the biggest one. We're gonna make our way over to the shirts. And then, of course, we're saving the best for last, which is the sneakers. All right, now starting off with the big box. This one is from Amazon. Open this up. Well, it's not really nothing crazy or special. Just a little upgrades for the channel. Had to make a few here and there. So, where is it? Yeah, so the lighting, I feel like I could improve the lighting. So that's what I went ahead and did. So at the moment, because I am gonna invest into another new camera and whatnot, and I need to get, and so that way I could buy a mic and all the other stuff. So for now, I just decided to tackle a couple small things, and one of those was the lighting, of course. I feel like it could be a little bit better, and so I went ahead and got me a new ring light. Where is it at? Yeah, the ring. And bow. I can see that. And yes, I have 3 ring lights, but I'm currently only using 2 because the third one broke. So I just use it for when I record outside for the on feeds and how to styles and different things like that. Strictly to just hold my phone camera. And yeah, got the new ring light. So hopefully the lighting should look a whole lot better. Now that's it for that package. Next we into the shirts. I really think that this might be my new favorite shirt brand. If these two live up to par, this got it. Now these shirts are from the same place I had got my Yu-Gi-Oh shirt, that vintage wash. I had to cop more, and so this time I had got 2. So we're just gonna start off with this one first. Toss that over here. And this is, if you don't watch Naruto, then of course you're not gonna know who this is. But if you do, or if you got some kind of knowledge of anime, I got the Sasuke shirt. Jungle's looking fire, and instead of white, the shirt is cream. So it could go with a lot of different kicks. Got, of course, that nice purple and black, and then his eyes glow red because of his Sharingan. But yeah, let me just go ahead and see if this fit real quick. Yeah, I like how this one fit. It got that nice perfect fit. It is a vintage wash, and it's like slightly oversized, but not really. So yeah, I like the way it came out. I'm gonna just make sure I don't put this in the dryer, so that way it could keep that nice, like, that nice flowy feel to it. And now for the next one, this is a shirt that I really wanted the most. When it first came out, it sold out. So of course, when they came back out with it, I had to grab it. And that is the Denzel Washington Training Day shirt. I had to have this shirt. And honestly, by the looks of it, I feel like this is at least like the same size as the Yu-Gi-Oh shirt. So yeah, let's just try it on real quick. Oh yeah, I like this one a lot more. Yeah, so this one isn't as long as the Yu-Gi-Oh shirt. It's weird though, because I got all these shirts in the same size. But yeah, the Sasuke one, that one is a tad bit more fitted. This Training Day shirt is a lot more like loose and just flows. This shirt tough. Yeah, no, I'm gonna just keep this on for the rest of the video. Now, of course, the moment that I have been waiting for a grip now. It's been too long. From GOAT, we do have a pair of shoes in here. And now I have a slight pet peeve when it comes to buying shoes from GOAT and StockX and all them other places. Well, not really StockX. I only bought from there once, and it was for the Cool Grade 3s. That shipping was actually kind of quick, so I didn't mind. But yeah, now from GOAT and whatnot, for anybody out there that sells shoes through GOAT and whatnot, or just in general, if you sell shoes, stop taking more than 2 days to ship them. It's like, in my opinion, if I'm selling shoes, I'm shipping them off that same day I sell them, or if not the next day. I don't know, I never understood that. I understand people got things to do, but like waiting 3 to 4 days to ship off the shoe, come on now, that's OD. We finally have it. Y'all see what that is? Or can you? I don't know. That junk that's, you know, I could barely see what that is. But nonetheless, yes, the box is a bit damaged. That's how you get the new shoes for cheaper. That does take a couple extra dollars off the shoe. I don't understand what's the problem with it. As long as the shoes aren't damaged, it's a-okay. I never seen this sticker before. I don't, is that new or is it just because of what this shoe is? But yeah, we got the Air Force One. And of course, size 11.5, 130 retail. Whew. We just gonna, oh, y'all know what this is. Oh, there's the goat stickers and whatnot. Legit tag. Woo. Y'all see, these junks smell buttery. These joints smell buttery. That's cause they are buttery. That, ooh, ooh, oh ho, whew. Whew. Yes, sir. You already know what you're rocking with, the Popcorn Air Force One lows. These joints are tough. Yo, that's written in butter right there. That's crazy. Now the insoles is one of my favorite part about this entire shoe. Let me just show y'all this real quick. Look at that insole. That is tough, dog. We got the Popcorn Forces on deck. These are hard. I like the gold parts at the end of the laces. Yeah, now this is a clean shoe. I really like these in person better than pictures. Wait, these actually go with this. Hold on. And now these, oh, okay. All right, y'all see that? Popcorn hang tag. Stop playing with them over at Nike. Yeah, now these go crazy. Yo, this material feel insane. But yeah, I ain't gonna show y'all too much because of course we're gonna do a review and top tier on feet with these babies. This is tough. Nike, y'all killed this. This shoe is hard.
One word away from being higher than the atmosphere. No man but God, and that's barely. Loyal to the fame and to the money whom I married. I rap like Bruce Fight, it's hard to compare me. I might be too nice for y'all to act scary. I'm very sure I'm more than you can fathom. I spit acid, all the shit that you can't imagine. Pen and padding, paper darkening from the ashes of raw classes. Class act but full of madness. I heard the early bird gets the worm, and all the feathers he can ever.
Thank everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're on that road to 10K. Comment down below what you think of the new pickups. And yeah. Hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.